we're gone. Should've turned back hours ago.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today is 5th of July and I just checked, I uploaded last vlog on 10th of June. So although I am uploading a new vlog after almost a month, I was actually vlogging some days in between. It's just that I was stuck in work and somehow vlogging took a back seat, which is kind of bad on my end, but I've decided that I'm gonna give equal importance to everything that I do, and so like this is how I'm going to ensure that nothing takes my priority or nothing goes at the back of everything. Everything gets my equal attention. Anyway, today is a new day and I thought I should get back to vlogging. It's been really long. So yeah, let's start the day with some water. Usually I make a to-do list every day of the things that I need to do that day, but मैंने actually last week एक to-do list बनाई थी which was really long and then I couldn't finish it. So इस week की to-do list भी same वही है जो last week थी. I have ticked some of the things, but a lot of things are still pending, so we'll see आज क्या क्या हो सकता है इसमें से. But right now I'm really hungry and it's time for breakfast. Okay, so breakfast में है some overnight soaked oats, some granola, half a mango, I'll use half mango, seeds, some nuts and some frozen berries. Let's assemble everything.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back.
Breakfast bowl looks something like this, and now I'll just mix everything.
I guess we're sleeping outside.
Okay, now that breakfast is done, I've sat down to work. Like the most important task today is that I have a project where I have to design 12 mug designs for a brand that I handle, and I've done 7 and I'm struggling to complete last 5. Although like the design brief is really simple. They want very basic designs, but sometimes people don't understand that basic is very complex than a complex design. So yes, I'm struggling to finish those 5 and target is to finish those 5 today so that I can send all the 12 designs.
Down the road, finally can stand, backed and still looking for triland. Jump on my back, I'll take you home.
Okay, so done with the mugs and I'm not really sure if I can like show the designs. जब तक अप्रूव नहीं होते, but anyway, done with that and उसमें काफ़ी time लग गया. Now let's go and have some lunch because already मेरे को बहुत late हो चुका है lunch के लिए. उसके बाद there are some couriers I need to open. I also need to wash my hair. So पहले lunch and then we'll see क्या क्या करना है उसके बाद. Okay, so lunch में है आज a huge bowl of salad because बहुत गर्मी हो रही है और प्रॉपर खाने का ना बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं है, ना रोटी चावल at this point बिल्कुल भी नहीं because of all the heat and everything. तो I thought salad से काम चलाते हैं and चलो let's I'll go and eat and see you later. It is done और अभी actually 3 courier आए हुए हैं, so I thought पहले वो open कर लेते हैं और फिर कुछ और काम करते हैं बैठ के.
Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side.
So the first is this. It's a capo for my ukulele. Second, I had a courier from Plum, so I got a hair mask and a free body gel. This is half of my order, आधा आया नहीं अभी. And then I had this from Bare Anatomy, which has a hair mask, hair shampoo and conditioner.
There's a motel a mile down the road. Finally can stand, backed and still looking for triland. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I.
Dal chawal for dinner.
और डिनर के बाद आई थिंक आई विल गेट बैक टू वर्क एंड सी और क्या क्या फिनिश हो सकता है. बट या डिनर टाइम अभी.
Know I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wanna hesitate about it, wanna even think about it. I know I really.
So I got done a lot of things, and now I am gonna go and wash my hair and then go to sleep. So I'm going to end this vlog here. If you like this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Push it to the side, even if it means